Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 30th of April. The euro appears strong against most of its major counterparts early in the European session. The single currency got a boost from news that Spanish and Italian bond yields improved for yet another auction. This positive development adds to the already heightened anticipation of investors worldwide ahead of the ECB rate decision on Thursday. Analysts have been calling for a rate cut from the region's central bank nearly a year since the last time. The British pound failed to break above its resistance level at 155.50 against the US dollar and has retraced towards the previous uptrend line. If the pair can hold above this level, it should be expected to launch yet another attempt to trade above 155.50. The US dollar is trading sideways against the Japanese yen as the pair appears to have found support at 97.50. Following the past few days' decline, a rebound off this level is very likely. Gold didn't disappoint the precious metal bulls and traded as high as $1,478 an ounce yesterday. Nevertheless, this rally was met by strong selling pressure and the pair is now trading below $1,460, a bearish indication. Oil rose above 93.80 a barrel, a previous resistance level against the US dollar. This level is now expected to act as a support to the commodity's week-old rally. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 130.40. The dollar-yen pivot points at 98.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 98.45. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 103.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.25. The sterling dollar pivot points at 154.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 154.70. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 101.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 101.45. Looking at commodities and indices, the oil pivot points at 92 with a preference to enter into long positions at 92. The gold pivot points at 1485 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1485. The silver pivot points at 23.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 23.70. The US 500 is at 1579 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1579. And the UK 100 is at 6343 with a preference to enter into long positions at 634. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Europe at 9 GMT, we have the unemployment rate forecast to rise to 12.1%. At 12:30 GMT in Canada, we have the gross domestic product month-on-month forecast to expand by 0.2%. And at 1400 GMT in the US, we have the CB consumer confidence forecast to rise to 61.4. And our interesting pair of the day is the US dollar Canadian dollar. The US dollar is carrying on its dive against the Canadian dollar, recording a 2% drop in the past 4 days. It appears to have formed a short-term support at 101.06 as market participants anticipate the Canadian month-on-month GDP release due at 12:30 GMT, and a break below this level could pave the way for lower lows. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Joan from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.